How soon will AI be able to replace us in the workplace, and what might this lead to? Will there be mass unemployment around the world? I'll talk about all this in this video. Introduction to the AI Revolution. The AI revolution is reshaping industries, economies, and societies at an unprecedented pace. From intelligent algorithms and robotic automation to machine learning and natural language processing, artificial intelligence technologies are driving innovation, increasing productivity, and transforming the way we work and live. As AI capabilities continue to advance, questions arise about its potential impact on employment and the future of work. Automation versus augmentation. One of the key distinctions in understanding the impact of AI on employment is the difference between automation and augmentation. Automation involves the substitution of human labor with AI-driven technologies to perform tasks more efficiently and cost-effectively. While automation has the potential to eliminate certain jobs, it also creates opportunities for new roles and industries to emerge. Augmentation, on the other hand, involves the enhancement of human capabilities through AI technologies, enabling workers to collaborate with intelligent systems to achieve better outcomes. Job displacement and reskilling. As AI technologies automate routine and repetitive tasks, some jobs may be at risk of displacement. Industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and retail are already experiencing the effects of automation, with tasks such as assembly line work, driving, and cashiering increasingly being performed by machines. However, the displacement of jobs does not necessarily equate to widespread unemployment. Instead, it underscores the need for workers to reskill and adapt to new roles that leverage their unique human capabilities alongside AI technologies. New opportunities and industries. While AI may disrupt certain industries and job roles, it also creates new opportunities and industries for growth and innovation. Fields such as data science, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and digital marketing are experiencing high demand for skilled professionals who can harness the power of AI to drive business outcomes and solve complex challenges. Moreover, AI-driven technologies are enabling the emergence of entirely new industries, such as autonomous vehicles, virtual reality, and personalized medicine, which require a diverse range of talents and skills. Human-centric AI and ethical considerations. As we navigate the AI revolution, it is essential to prioritize human-centric approaches to AI development and deployment. Ethical considerations such as fairness, transparency, and accountability are paramount in ensuring that AI technologies benefit society as a whole and mitigate potential risks and biases. By fostering a culture of responsible AI innovation and ethical AI governance, we can harness the transformative potential of AI while safeguarding human dignity, autonomy, and well-being. Collaboration and adaptation. The future of work in the age of AI is not a zero-sum game of man versus machine, but rather a collaborative partnership between humans and intelligent systems. By embracing a mindset of lifelong learning, adaptability, and creativity, workers can thrive in a rapidly changing labor market and unlock new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Moreover, businesses and policymakers play a crucial role in supporting workers through investments in education, training, and social safety nets that enable workers to navigate transitions and pursue meaningful careers in the AI-driven economy. The human advantage. Ultimately, the AI revolution offers the promise of a future where humans and machines collaborate to achieve extraordinary feats and address complex challenges. While AI technologies may automate certain tasks and roles, they cannot replace the unique qualities and capabilities that make us human: creativity, empathy, intuition, and ethical judgment. By leveraging these human strengths alongside AI technologies, we can unlock new levels of innovation, productivity, and prosperity for individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. Conclusion and reflection. In conclusion, the AI revolution presents both opportunities and challenges for employment and the future of work. While AI-driven automation may disrupt certain industries and job roles, it also creates new opportunities for innovation, collaboration, and growth. By fostering a culture of lifelong learning, adaptability, and human-centric AI development, we can navigate the complexities of the AI revolution and shape a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously to build a better world for generations to come.